Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hamza. I'm a co-founder and managing partner at Core Dispatch LLC. So I'm just making this video on behalf of SC Dispatching. So the reason that I'm making this video is for the beginners who are just newly start their businesses, who just recently make their LLC to do business for the truck dispatching. So the most of the people that I know in this industry, they are scared about the cold calling. You guys have to know, you guys admit the cold calling is the backbone of this industry. I'm just talking about the sales guy who are in front. Whenever they make a call and doing the same things, like we guys are specialized for this and that, and we provide the special high paying load, we provide the best rate ever, we do have some kind of loads here and here. You don't have to do this. This is not applicable in every freaking scenario. Okay, you have to choose some other things. You have to go for some other. You have to go out of the box. Okay, what I'm saying? So use your mind. Like make the calls like the conversation. You call the carriers and ask what they need from the dispatcher. It's reliability. It's a high paying. It would be anything. So let me tell you my story. Before I start this business, before entering into this business, I was working as a key account and sales executive at Benning Enterprise. Marketing industry, I do have a multiple years of experience. I do cold callings for the insurance, cold calling for the final expense, cold calling everything. So then I start my careers in B2B. Then I start my own business in this field. So remember that you have to learn all about the cold calling because it's the backbone. For example, let me tell you the reason why. Let me give you an example. You send any emails to the owner operators who driving all day, and why he or she check the email box for you just to check it out, your services, what you guys send, or somebody send me the emails about the services. No, nobody gonna check the email for you in this specific industry. It's some rare cases, but in cold calling, you have a lot of opportunity to grab the client. Because the thing is that if you make a call to a carrier and tell them about the services, what you guys are specifically doing, like, you know what, they receive 30 to 40 calls every freaking day. Same days, same calls, same wording, each and everything. Don't go for the script things, exactly same things that many people are currently doing over and over. So dispatching industry right now, it's market inflation and all the stuff. The fuel rate is on at the top level, but this is no matter. I'm on the broker side as well. If you are not able to talk with the brokers, how you book the loads? Not everyone's supposed to receive your emails and immediately responds, because you all guys know who are currently dispatching. The load is just not for the whole day. You don't have a whole day to book a load because it's booked. If you don't have to book this one because somebody else take the login for you. Sounds good? So another things that you guys are doing, the cold SMS campaign. That is really, really bad things. Because cold SMS is illegal in the United States. You're not supposed to be send the SMS in a bulk quantity. I'm not talking about the conversation level SMS. I'm talking about the marketing SMS. That is really, really bad things for us. Really, really bad things for who are recently in this industry and doing the business for many years. Okay? So for this, all you have to do is just make the calls. Not everyone is expert. Not everyone is expert. You have to take some time, because this is a language. You don't have to build your fake accent. You don't have to build your. You just have to build your vocabulary. All you have to just a conversational language. You can deliver the things with your own capabilities that you have. And you're a Native American. Don't act like you're a Native American, but you are not. You just have to provide them a service. It's illegal. You are officially registered in the United States, because you don't have to pretend like you are in the United States, because they all know that you guys are in Asia. Okay, if you are pretending like you're in the United States, they think that they catch you. You don't spam. But all you do, just do with the confidence. The thing is, confidence is everything in this industry. You do have the authorized voice, like you providing the services. If you want to willing with us, we will more than happy to serve you out. If you're not, then hang up and move for the next one. Okay, you don't have the whole day. So many people are doing the cold callings for a whole day, and they things like they don't even hunt the one interested prospects, and they lose hope. They give up. I don't know why. Some days are bad, some days are good. Don't worry about that. If someday you not get some kind of interested prospects, go for the next day. Okay? Go for the next day. Important, because you don't have to worry about it. This is not that much hard as you guys think. All you have to do is just talk with the customer, just talk with the clients, just talk with the prospect. If you are my prospects, then I know how to deal with you. Okay? So this is not the overnight things. You have to take time. You have to take some time to learn about these things, because if you are capable to sell some things, the language doesn't fucking matter. Okay, language is just a thing of a few days. Okay, so don't worry about this. Just make the cold call, stay consistent, okay, and be professional. You are doing a business, so be professional. Act like a professional. Okay, somebody's ruined this industry. I don't know why people are doing this shit, because they don't have such a LLC. They don't even know the cold calling. They don't even know about 0% about the industry. And then so they started the business. One of my regular client called me and he told me that his insurance is going to be canceled. So 1 million cargo liability insurance is canceled. The reason is somebody from Pakistan, he tried to fill it up, the carrier packet on his behalf, and he filled the wrong information. Okay? If you're not able to fill the carrier package, so you don't have to do that. All you have to do is just call the carrier and send them the carrier packet, and he's still their own way, because it's highly risky for the carriers, because the insurance is really important in the United States. The cargo, the home, the health, every insurance is really, really important in the United States. So be passionate what you guys are doing. Don't worry about the market inflections. We all know everywhere is a bunch of saturations in every freaking market, so you don't have to worry about this. All you have to do is just keep focusing, keep doing the things, use multiple options, use some other options, and you can build your career, inshallah ta'ala. If you guys are interested to know more about the cold calling, know more about the cold calling stuff, just let me know. I will make the video for you on the same channels, SC Dispatching. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get a regular update about the dispatching. Because Samiuddin is doing a pretty fantastic job. He's doing the business for a long time, and he's an amazing person. Okay, you do have to learn a lot of things from this guy. Okay, so I hope you like this video. We will meet you inshallah in the next kind of videos. So peace out, take care, and be consistent in doing the same hard work. Thank you. Fi amanillah.